Welcome to LSTD 3443, Ecology and Evolution. My name is John Lancaster and I'll be one of your instructors for this course. This course is an introduction to two very important areas of biology, that of ecology and of evolution. These two areas are very closely intertwined through Charles Darwin's classical theory of evolution through natural selection. Ecology is the study of organisms' interactions with their environment, including other organisms that are a part of that environment. Evolution is the study of how organisms undergo change over time and is the mechanism that's responsible for the great diversity in organisms that we see on this planet that we occupy. The textbooks for this course are Biology, Concepts and Applications by C.C. Starr, and The Beak of the Finch by Jonathan Weiner. The Starr text is a general biology text that provides background for understanding the basic concepts that are involved in both ecology and evolution, and gives students access to other background information that they may need to refresh themselves on, such as physiology, genetics, other topics of this nature that go into understanding how organisms function in their environment and how they undergo alteration to lead to the production of new species. The Weiner text is an account of an ongoing long-term study of the finch population on one particular island in the Galapagos archipelago. This island is Daphne Major. It's a small, isolated island within the Galapagos group and has a unique finch population that is small enough that the investigators who are looking at evolution and the ecology of these finches to know every finch on the island and to observe what they eat, how many offspring they produce, all of the things that would be necessary to really analyze these populations. This is both an ecology and an evolution study, because what they are observing in the study is an actual real-time evolution of these finches in response to specific extreme environmental changes that occurred on the island. These environmental changes were brought about by a very extensive and very strong El Nino event. The course begins with a study of ecology and a presentation of the basic fundamental aspects of the science of ecology, and then proceeds with a study of evolution and the various mechanisms that are involved in evolution and an interaction of ecological factors with these changed, altered organisms that are being acted upon by the environmental pressures of the ecological system. It ends with a study of molecular evolution, which allows us to get an understanding of just exactly how new genes can be acquired by organisms and how the genetic composition of organisms can then be altered ultimately to lead to production of new types of species that are both morphologically different, physiologically different, and of course genetically different from ancestral organisms. There are interesting topics that are introduced here. You will be introduced to them at a level that you very likely have not seen before. And when you come out of the course, you hopefully will have an increased appreciation for the mechanisms that are involved in these processes of ecology and evolution, and particularly in view of the overwhelming evidence we have that we're in the midst of a global climate change event, that we can have some appreciation of the potential effects of these global changes on the types of organisms that will survive on our globe.